So I wanted to do a quick video to show how you can do a pretty cheap cold air intake. There's really nothing to it. This is a K&N filter that you can get from Advanced or any other store really. Not entirely sure on the part number on this one. I'll put it in the description. I'll look at the box. It's a 3-inch interior diameter. I believe it's 6.5 inches long, and then there's an adapter plate that you can get that goes straight to the MAF housing. This is the adapter plate. You can see the almost chromed aluminum color here. I just needed to get different bolts and then this adapter and the filter, so it's about $60 maybe to do that, and then you just use your stock tubing obviously. It's a really cheap alternative to a cold air intake. I've been told K&N doesn't work for the early sport Tracs. This is a 2001, so I put this in just to kind of mess with it, see what it does. But I don't have anything holding it in place, so it's loose here. It's actually just kind of sitting on the bottom, but we'll see how it does. There's a possibility it could get rainwater kicked up from down there. I'm not sure, but just wanted to share this with everybody so that you see there's a little something you can do yourself. It's pretty easy, pretty cheap. Have fun.